Hello, good evening, everyone. It's good.
Hi.
Good evening.
Hola.
And
Good day.
It's good to have each and every one of you here today. And for the record, it is a wonderful Wednesday. The double W's. Love it. All right, so let's get started. But before we do, Danaya, how was the day for you? How did it go?
It was okay.
Okay, that's excellent. Jennifer, how was the day for you?
it was great.
All right, excellent. All right, then we have got Mr. Gaston. How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, good. And Moisha, how you doing today?
I'm good.
That's excellent. And well, Serenity, how you doing?
I'm good.
Serenity, I didn't receive any on your notes from yesterday.
I'll send them.
Okay, thank you. All right, and all the rest of them that I didn't, or rest of you all who I didn't mention. Good to see you all. Let me share my screen so we can get started. All right, so let's get started. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, the 18th of January, 2023. Hello, okay, good. So today we're going to continue with linear equations and word problems. Yesterday we did that extensively with age. All right, today we're going to continue with that. All right. With questions that are similar to that. So we can get into so that we get solid in answering those type of questions. So many of you got, I would say, confused with answering that challenge question. We don't want to call it a bonus. It was simply a challenge question. And some of you were not able to answer that. So in light of that, we have to, we still have to do more of them. So it becomes familiar because, excuse me, in your exam, they're not gonna ask you, obviously they're not gonna ask you the same questions that I give you exactly. They're not gonna have Jill and Ruth and Danaya, in their questions, and they're not gonna have the same numbers. So they're gonna change it up, but the same principle will hold. So you need to understand the concept so to be able to do them or answer them, excuse me, properly. All right. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. All right. So let's begin. We have here today, okay, 26. Before we actually do it, right? I have a question for anyone who is able to answer. Tell me, we did this last week. Hopefully, you all still remember how to do it. What is this symbol? Anyone can answer.
Universal set.
Element. Element.
And that's not a universal set.
An element of.
Element.
Is an element
Element.
of. Very good. What is this symbol?
Not
Not
element.
an element.
Not an element. Very good. All right, next up, what is this symbol?
Subs,
That's a
subset,
proper subset.
Proper subset. And what is this symbol?
subset, subset of,
Subset of. Very good. All right, and then what is this symbol?
Null set.
Very good. And then what is this symbol?
Empty set or null set.
Make sure I do it on chat and don't look at your book. Okay. What is this symbol? Let me do it.
universal set,
Universal.
Universal set. What is this symbol?
Union.
Union. What is this symbol?
intersection,
Intersection.
Intersection. Very good. What is this symbol?
complement, a complement,
Very good. What is this symbol?
Number of complement in set A.
No,
Number of elements in set A.
the number of elements in set A. Very good. And then what is, am I missing anything? Oh, yes. What is, what is the symbol?
Universal.
Universal set.
The universal set. Very good. What is the symbol?
Not a subset.
Again?
not a
Not a
subset,
subset.
Not a subset. Very good. And then. I hope I'm not missing anything. So we have the universal with intersection. Yes, this is all that I get. How much is this? 19? I mean 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. We're missing one more. One more. Oh, ha, ha, ha. What is this one?
universal,
Say it again. What is the symbol?
universal set,
Universal set. Very good. All right.
So the one with below empty set and universal.
This one? You mean this?
Yes, sir.
This is also universal. So this is universal. This is universal. And this is universal. Okay.
Right.
Some people get the element of mix up. with universal, but that is not universal. All right. And for those of us, let me so that's that, and then let me erase all in. What is the area of a rectangle?
Length times width.
Nine times
width.
width. Very good. What is the area of a square?
Also length times width.
Also length times width. What is the area of a triangle?
Base times
Base
height
times
over
base.
2.
Very good. Base times height over 2. What is the area of a circle?
What did you say again?
Pi times radius square.
Areas of a circle. I heard it from someone.
Pi times radius square.
Pi times radius square. I hearing it, but I ain't seeing the person who's saying it.
It's 0.
Deja, I don't know, Deja, what happened to the internet? Because I could hear you, but you're not coming up to the top. Like, okay, it just happened. Yeah, okay, I can see it now. All right, area of a circle is pi r squared, where r is the radius. And radius by definition is half of the what?
Diameter.
Half of the diameter. Very good. And then what is the area of a semicircle? This is for Maya especially.
I guess you divided by 2 afterwards.
Where's a Maya?
Um,
Semicircle.
semi.
Mm-hmm.
And that's like 4.
Not 4. Semicircle.
I forgot what it is for a semicircle.
2. Because you split it in
Oh.
half. So 2 parts. And what's the area of a sector of a circle?
4.
Yes. That's when you divide it by 4. All right. So let me clear
Now,
up.
guys, for those of us who aren't as smart as everybody else, where on the circle stuff come from?
For you,
True.
they true. We didn't. I didn't do area of a circle in BJC
I
class.
was about to say,
I
I
didn't do
either
that.
missed something or
No, I didn't do that with you all yet. All right. All right, let's go. All right, let's go with linear equations. It's always good to do review. Always.
Good night. I guess who?
This is who?
Hey,
Jadon.
on.
How you
It's all.
doing,
I good.
Jadon?
And it's off.
You lost?
Yeah.
You lost. We just started. We ain't do nothing here. We just
Okay.
is reviewing. We just is reviewing. That's all. All right. Okay, example number 1. All right. All right. I think of a number. Let's call it n. I add 4 to the number. Now, I multiply their sum by 2. A. Write an expression to show this. My results. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that first. All right, anyone want to take a shot at it? I think of a number n. I add 4 to then. I add 4 to this number, to this number. I add 4 to this number. Now I multiply sum by 2.
Can I try?
Yeah, the
Who said, wait. Someone asked to try first, Daniel. Go ahead, Moesha. Try. You think it is?
Camilla.
Oh, Camilla. Sorry. Go ahead, Camilla. Try. Think it is. Sorry, Camilla. Try again. I didn't hear you.
For A,
Uh-huh.
it is 4n plus 2. Wait,
N plus 2.
4n. Wait, never mind.
Never mind.
Never mind. Wait.
Okay. Anyone else?
Oh,
would it
okay,
be-
I understand now.
Wait, Carmela. I want Daniel to try.
So
Huh?
would it be n? No, would it be 2n plus 4
2n plus 4.
equals?
2n plus 4 equals. Okay. Thank you for your try. Anyone else?
Would it be
All right, Amaya. All right.
times 2
4 times 2.
or n times 2?
Oh, 4n times 2. Okay, 4n. Let me write that properly. 4n times 2. Four n times 2.
Wait,
Mm-hmm.
hold on. I add and then I multiply that sum by 2.
Mm-hmm.
Would it be
All right, you know.
m plus 4? I know.
No, that's it's
17.
4.
Would
It's
it
4
be-
and
would
it's
it
4
be-
n times 2.
4n times 2. Jensen said it's 4n times 2. All right.
That's what it is.
Let's
That's the
17.
equation, right? Or the expression.
Interesting,
Put it out.
interesting. Y'all give it a try. Go ahead. Lanaya.
Okay, right? This is me just taking a wild guess here.
Hmm,
Would
wow.
it be? Oh, wait, yeah, 2n plus 4?
2n plus 4. Okay.
Oh, I lie. I know.
2n
Listen
plus
to
4
me.
is already there.
Hold on.
2n plus 4 is already there. All right. Miss Antonia. Yeah, Antonia. I think that's her name. You wanna try?
No, son, I feel like hurting my head right now. I ain't get.
You really good there. Okay. Go ahead, Chris. Who's gonna say something?
Mr. T,
I can't hear you. Say it again.
excuse,
Type out your stuff because you breaking up.
Mr. T,
Excuse me,
Go ahead.
Mr. T.
Go ahead, Moesha.
you don't have the result there, so I kind of mix up
What on the result there? Okay, all right, interesting. So
the
we can-
result.
Okay, interesting.
Good thing.
Can I answer?
Right.
Go ahead, Deja.
Could it be 2 open bracket n plus 4 close bracket?
2 open bracket. Say it again.
2 open bracket n plus 4 close bracket?
2 open
it
bracket.
I multiply their sum by 2. So
Mhm.
the sum of n plus 4, then you multiply it by 2. I do this in a long time, so I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so this is a guess.
Yeah.
I think mine is right. University.
All right. Mr. Hepburn says he thinks his one is right. All right. All right, so there is, one of them is correct. I'm not gonna tell you which one. I want you all to vote. So if you
So
think,
moments.
if you think it's number one, put number one in the chat. If you think it's number two, put number two in the chat. If you think it's number three, put number three in the chat. But one of these is right. So yeah, vote in the chat, please. Let me see what y'all think. I want everyone to participate, please. Put either 1, 2, or 3 in the chat. Why I say 2, because I believe in myself. All right, everyone, let's go. Put either 1, 2, or 3 in the chat, please. One of them is correct. All right. Camilla. Camilla. Camilla, why?
She didn't lie. It does look small.
Camilla said that. All right. Hebron say it's 1 for it's 1 for real. Ah, boy. All right. Okay. Mr. Hebron, where's Daniel?
Yes, sir.
Drum roll, please. All right. That the correct answer is actually, watch my cursor now. As Amaya cross her fingers.
I ain't gonna lie.
It definitely ain't 2.
I said definitely. All right, it's definitely number 3.
Yes, I said yes.
Go.
It's definitely 3. Definitely 3.
I knew it.
Definitely,
Only reason I
Mine
said
is close to
You
mine.
look smart.
definitely is 3. Okay. All right, so let's break it down. So it says, I think of a number, and very good, Deja, for suggesting that. You were absolutely right. Okay, first of all, the first thing we must notice is that this thing says that we ought to write an expression. We ought to write an expression. Write this down. Maybe you could say rule number 1, if you want to say it so. But rule number 1 is, we can put it up here, because this isn't really the part of our notes, but rule number 1. Expressions do not have equal signs, but equations do have equal signs. So that's the difference. So you don't have to be confused because the result, they didn't tell you the result because they just want the expression. They don't want the equation. So expressions have equal signs. Equations do not have equal signs. Always remember that difference. All right. Now, with that being out the window, let's answer this question. It says, I think of a number n, right? So let's put n there. Let me get back my cursor. I think of a number n. And what I'm going to do to n, it says what? I add 4 to this number. So I have to add 4 to n. Okay. So far, I have n plus 4. Because it says, I think of a number n. I add 4 to this number, right? So I add 4 plus 2. So I n plus 4. Now I multiply their sum by 2. So this is their sum. I have to multiply it by 2. And the way I'm going to multiply is I'm going to put the open bracket to be able to multiply it. Okay. So it's 2 times n plus 4. And that's the correct answer right there. Okay. Any questions on how we got that? Any questions?
So the n and 4, I mean the n plus 4 have to go in brackets, then you put the 2 in front of it.
Yeah, then I put a 2 in front of it, right, as to multiply it. So 2 times n plus 4. All right. All right, next up. It says here, my results, sorry, my results is 48.
This is B. Oh,
Put it above B. Form an equation. Form an equation to solve, to show this. And it's supposed to be B. Why put E? I'm sorry. Form an equation to show this. All right, what's going to be my equation to show this? Anyone? My result is 48. Form an equation to show
So-
this. Say it again.
so
So would this one be like how we was doing it before?
Yes. So what is going to be?
So for no, yeah, no. 2n times 4 equals 48.
No.
What?
Do you
It's-
bring
wait.
stuff on A and then you put a equal sign and then put the number 48?
Very good. Exactly. So you basically rewrite what you have for A. All you need to do is put the equal sign and state that it's equal to 48. So 2 open bracket n plus 4. 2 open bracket n plus 4 close bracket equals to what? 48. And that's the right there. So 2 open bracket n plus 4 equals 48. And obviously we know what C is gonna say. Solve it. Okay, so C is solve the equation. To find the number I first thought of. All right, so we're gonna solve this equation. It's a pity that I only have so little space. That's annoying. I don't like that I only have a little bit of space. I really want to show you all how to do it properly. Okay, so I'm gonna answer it right here. So we have 2 open bracket. Oh my goodness, that's not right. 2. Let me put it right under because I don't want to be confused no more. 2 open bracket n plus 4 equals to 48. The first thing I'm gonna do is multiply 2 by every term inside the brackets. So it's gonna be 2 times n, which is gonna be what?
2n.
2n times 4.
And it's gonna be 2 times 4, which is 2 times 4. What is 2 times 4?
14.
8.
2 times
Hey.
4. What is 2 times
8.
4? 8.
I have 14.
No, 2 times 4 is not 14. All right. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. I'm coming right back. Finish it for me. Finish it for me. Well, give me 1 minute. 1 minute is better.
Mr. D.
All right, that's probably longer than a minute. I don't know, but I'm back. So when you multiply, the first thing we do is we multiply what? 2 by n, which is what? 2n, right? And then we say 2 times 4. What is 2 times 4?
8.
8. Very good. So 2 times 4 is 8. That's going to be equal to 48. So 2 times n, which is 2n, and then 2 times 4, which is 8. So you have 2n plus 8. The next thing that we do is we take 8 and we send it what?
Over the equal sign.
Over.
Over the equal
Turn
sign.
it over. So like 48 minus 8.
Very good, Mr. Frank Bong. Send it over the equal sign, so it's going to be equal to 48 minus 8. So we have 2n equals to 48 minus 8. What is 48 minus 8?
40.
What is 48 minus 8?
40.
40, very good. And we bring down the what?
2n.
The 2n.
The 2.
The 2n.
Whatever.
Yeah, 2n. Good. And at this point, what do we do?
Carry over the 2.
Carry the 2 over.
Carry the 2 over. What do you mean by carry the 2 over?
It divide.
Divide.
Divide 2 by 40 and the 2n.
Very good. Divide 2 by both sides. So we're going to say 2 divided by 2n divided by 2 and 40 divided by 2. Then we're going to do what? Cancel out, right? So this guy
2 and the 2.
guy. So what is 40 divided by 2?
20.
40 divided by 2 is
20.
20.
20. So the number that I first thought about was what?
20.
Was 20. Very good, very good. All right, any questions on that?
No, sir.
Questions on that? Okay, good. All right. Daniel, explain A for me, please.
Yes, sir. So, to be able to write the expression, you have to be able to have all the numbers inside of the question. So 2. So 2 is sorry, hold on. 2 is the number that I'm going to be multiplying the n and the 4 by. So 2 would be on the outside. And I want to put the n and the 4 in the brackets. And the n is the number that's going to be having all the multiplication and the addition to do. So I put n, the first number, an n, and as we can see inside of the sentence, it says that they add 4 to this number. So n, we're gonna add the n plus 4.
Okay. Okay, very good. On Amaya, explain.
I'm
B.
gonna explain C.
You want to explain C? All right. All right, no problem. Yolanda, explain B for me, please.
So you wanna write the expression as seen in A, and you wanna add the equal sign and put the result, which is 48.
Okay, very good. Now, Amaya, how do we solve this equation?
So first you have the 2 outside the brackets, and you have to multiply 2 by everything inside the bracket. So 2 times n is 2n, and 2 times 4 is 8, and equal to 48. And then you bring the 8 over, and when it would become negative, and then you would say, wait, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. And then you would subtract 48 by 8, which gives you 40. And then you have to cancel everything out. So 2 and the 2, and I leave with n. And then 2 divided by 40 gives you 20, and then n equals 20.
Very good. Excellent. Any questions with this before I move on to this one? Any questions? It's our first example.
Miss Petit,
Yes, sir.
I asked you, like, I understand the rest of the step, but I still don't understand how else get 48.
Okay, they say my result is 48. That's what they say. So since they say our result is 48, that's why we put equals to 48. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You sure? Michaela?
Yes, sir, I understand. I just want to see how you get the 40. I understand everything else.
Okay, that's good. Any other questions before I move on? All right. So let's go. Moving right along. Let's duplicate. All right, so let's do another example. My next question is, do it always have to be n? Like, do I always have to have n?
Also,
Yeah. Can I use another letter?
yes, sir. But you
Okay.
don't have to with us. We understand.
Do I always have to multiply by 2? Can I multiply by 3 or 4 or 5 or 6?
Yes, you can. But again, you don't have to change it. We understand.
You understand? How do I know you understand if I don't change it? Huh?
Pardon?
How do I know you understand if I don't change it? How do I know?
You just have to trust and believe.
Oh, faith. Yeah, my bad. Where's my
Faith,
faith? Oh,
exactly.
where's my faith, man? Oh, you have little faith. Come on, man. Why do I have so little faith? All right. All right, let's do this. Example number 2. Who's gonna help me with A? I think of a number n. I add 3 to this number. Now I multiply 2. I multiply that sum by 2. Write an expression to show this. How do I do it?
Okay. So I hope
Okay.
I don't jump this up.
All right.
So what you do is, which one you multiply? 2. So 2
Uh-huh.
open bracket and plus 3 close bracket.
Very good. 2
Oh
open
my god,
and
you're so
plus.
smart.
Very good, Lanaya. 2 open bracket and plus 3 close bracket. All right. Anyone for B? My result is 36. Form an equation to
I can
show.
do this one.
All right, go ahead, Moisha.
So you just rephrase. You'll put the 2
Mhm.
open bracket and plus 3 close bracket is equal to 36.
Very
That's what
good.
that.
2m plus 3 equals to 36. Very good. And who's going to be brave enough to help me to solve this? And I already got someone else.
I can go since nobody won't go.
We should already gone.
I mean, we already asked, but Mr. Petit wants to give everybody a try. And I understand that, right? But everybody is shy.
Everyone is not shy. You just gotta call them out. For example, Yolanda, help you with C.
Okay, so first you want to write the equation over.
Mm-hmm.
Then you want to
Yolanda,
Then
where is
you want
Parvani? She is.
pardon me?
Where's Parvani? I hope I pronounced the name right.
It's Harmony.
Havani.
But I don't know.
Okay. Because I haven't seen her. I don't think I haven't seen her in a bit. I think she was here this week sometime, but she's not been consistent. So just carry that message on for me to her, please.
I will.
Thank you.
Then,
Go ahead. How do we
then you
do
will
it?
multiply 2 and n, which would be 2n.
Very good. So 2 times n is 2n. Uh-huh.
Then you want to put the plus sign.
Very good.
And then 2 times 3, which would be 6.
2 times 3, which is 6.
And then you want to bring down the equal sign and the 36.
Very good. Excellent. All right. Then what do we do it next?
And then we want to carry over the 6 to subtract it from 36, which would
Very
be
good.
equal to 30.
Very good. So we have 36 minus 6. What do we have on this side?
Pardon me?
What do we have on this side?
Oh, then you want to bring down the 2n.
2n. Very good. Because the 6 is already left. When you say we left with 30, right?
Yes.
36 minus 6 is 30. So 2n equals to 30. All right, what do we do at this point?
Then you want to divide both sides by 2.
Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Then what do we do?
Then on the left side, we want to cancel out both 2's.
Very good. We cancel both 2's. So n is going to be equal to what?
It's going to equal to
30 divided by 2 is what?
15.
15, 1, 5.
You know, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
I little lost on how you get that 6 part again. From the 3, you times 2 by the 3a.
I times 2 by 3.
Oh, okay, now I get it. All right.
Yeah, it's 2n. And then 2 times 3 is 6.
Okay.
All right, anyone else? Anyone else? Any questions? All right. Malaya, are you there? Malaya. Where's Malaya? I wonder if she could hear me. Mikhail, where's Mikhail? I don't know. Mikhail usually is speaking. I don't know if you could hear me.
That's how we can hear you.
Okay. And the Trey McKenzie, are you there?
Yes, sir.
You understand what's happening?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. Vashante. Vashante, are you there? Vashante, are you there? No, can't hear from her either. Tamaya Camp, are you there?
Yes.
You understand what's happening?
Yes.
Okay. Jennifer Allen, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what to do?
Pardon?
You understand what we did to answer this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Excuse me, Miss Petit, why did we have to divide by 2 again?
Okay, we divide by 2 because we want to get rid of the two on the side of the n so that n could be written by itself. So the coefficient of n is 2. So we have to divide by 2 to get rid of it. Just like how last time we divided by 7, divided by whatever number was in front of n, we divide by that number to isolate the variable so that it's one letter and not the number under that. All right.
Mr. Petit, sorry.
Go
Can
ahead,
you
Dan.
show me one more time how do we get C?
How do we get C? Okay, so C, what part you don't understand? So you can there's a focus on that.
I just want to make sure when we crossing over the 6. So when we cross over the 6, since it's a +6, when it goes on the other side, it's a -6. That's how.
Yes, yes, that's how we
correct,
get
right?
the, that's how we get the negative. Yes.
So it would be it would be vice versa. If it was a -6, if we cross
Yes.
it on the other side, it would be +6.
Yes, sir. Very good question.
Thank you.
Very good question. Okay. All right, so I think we're ready for exercise. Serious. Let's go.
No.
Say it again. I'm just saying, Maya. I mean, Anaya.
I love teamwork.
You love team. This girl is so. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna give you all a few moments to finish. Write this down. Or y'all already got it?
No, sir.
You haven't written it down yet? Okay. All right, let's go. Okay. Here's the color so we could kind of get a feel that we're actually moving on to a different slide. Slide. Oh, unless I forget, for some reason, y'all prefer black background. So let me give you all the black background. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Should we give a bonus tonight? Because last night we didn't even get no bonus.
Yes, sir. Last night we had a bonus.
We have to be specific now because you slept.
Last night we
We
did have a
don't need
bonus.
a bonus.
You
We don't.
specific say bonus, now you say challenge, which is
We
one.
don't need none of them. No bonus. No
Y'all
challenge.
need no bonus. No
Challenge.
no challenge.
Want to make it clear? No bonus.
No bonus.
No
No
challenge.
No bonus, no challenge. Oh my.
No. Last time we say no bonus, then you come. It's not a bonus question. It's a challenge question.
No. He shook up. That's right.
I ain't trick y'all. Y'all say y'all didn't want no bonus, so I gave y'all a challenge question. It's just different. All right.
It's not. It was a bonus. You just.
All right.
Oh wait. But last night you said if it was a bonus, we wouldn't have had to do it. But since it was a challenge question, we had to do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna lie, that bonus was easy.
That was easy, eh, Frank Long? Say it
Yes,
again.
sir.
Preach, you're preaching now. All right, this is number 1. I think of a number and I add 5. No, not 5. I say 5, I add 4. Let's add 4. My result is 20. Give another one. I think of a number and I add I think a number I add 5. Let's
Fast.
do it again.
So fast.
I what?
How are you typing them out so fast? Oh.
I'm not typing.
Just copy and paste. So you ain't feel like writing.
Wow,
Smart.
Mr. Pateen.
No, I'm working hard here. I'm working hard, please.
6 is too much though.
I'm working hard.
Right.
What do you mean by too much? What too much mean?
Wow.
What do you mean? What is too much?
It's like we writing the same thing over and over. We just
what,
write the answer.
what do you mean by too much? I'm trying to figure what you mean by too much. Like,
Hard number 1. You see, I say, what is expression to show the same to the B, the same to the A?
yeah. So how is it too
Wow.
much? I'm trying to figure
Right.
how is it
If
too
you
much?
write the same thing, the next one you have to write the answer.
What do you mean by too much? Explain too much to me, please. I'm trying to figure what you mean by too much.
6 is too much.
Make it use in a sentence. You doing too much.
I'm trying to figure what is too much. Too much would be like 50. That's too
She mean
much.
like doing the same question over and over. That's what she mean.
Writing. Yeah, it's like
No, it's only a screen and it's only 5 questions. That can't be too much. Clearly, y'all understand that too much is distorted. That is not too much. I add 6. My result is 7, 2. And we said that it doesn't have to be N, it could be a different letter. And doesn't have to be 2, it could be a different letter. So let's try. I think of a number, X. I add All right, I think of a number, I add 9 to this number. Now I multiply 3 by their sum. Write an expression so that my result is 33. I think of a number, let's call it Y. I add 12 to this number. Now I multiply that sum by 4. My result is 40. My result is 60. Write an equation to show this. And since y'all don't want no challenge question, y'all don't want no bonus, we're just gonna have a question that just does have a different color background as well.
You know what, Mr. Pateen? No.
It just
Wow.
has it just has a different color background. And there's nothing to it. It just has a different color background. That's all.
Right, right.
Nothing weird about it, nothing new. No, just a different background, okay? All right, not to get nervous about it or anything. So far, we have 5 questions. And we're gonna write the last one right now to make the 6. All right. The 6th and final. Right. Suzanne thinks of sorry, my bad. Jack thinks of a number y, multiplies it by 3, then subtracts 5. Suzanne thinks of the same number y and adds 15 to it. Both Jack and Suzanne end up with the same number. Write an equation to show this. Find the value. Solve your equation to find the value of y. All right. So just those 6 questions to be completed right now. In your books, write down the questions and the way to solve it. Make sure that your working is neat and understandable, please.
Wait,
And
so we should write the questions. So sorry.
yes, sir, of course, write down the questions. The questions,
Okay.
yeah, that's how it works.
Sorry. Again, do we have the right A, B, and C, or should we just write down the
No, write
question
down
on top?
the answers. A, B, and C. Mhm. All right. All right. Very good. Let's start from the bottom. Sorry, my bad. Yolanda, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number 4. Oh, that's very fast. You answering them one time or you just writing them down?
I'm writing them. I'm answering them at the same time. So.
Okay. All right, Vashante, what number are you on? Vashante, has she? Vashante, I can't hear you, Vashante. I see a mic unmuted. Vashante, can you type your remark? Like type in the chat so I can see what you're saying, because I can't hear you. All right. And let me know what number you're on and let me know if you understand what's happening.
Good afternoon, Mr. Petit.
Hey, this is sounds like Divine.
Yes, sir.
Hey, you made it. Okay, then we have Tamaya. Tamaya, can't.
Yes.
What number are you on?
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
Number 3.
Number 3, okay. Do you understand what to do?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead. Rashadane, you're supposed to say something?
I was saying my Wi-Fi box. I had to reset it, so I just logged them back on.
Okay. All right, thank you for the update. Thank you, Miss Pennerman. Okay, Rashante says she's a number 2. All right, Serenity, what number you on?
Mr. Petit, can you go back so I can take a photo, please?
Sure, no problem. Take a picture of this.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
And then this.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, Serenity, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. Do you understand what to do?
No.
All right. All right, Romika, what number you on?
Number 3.
Number 3. Do you understand what to do, Romika?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Rochelle, Gaston, what number you on?
I'm number 4.
Okay, good. Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, Rashadane, what number you on? You say you just. Rashadane, what number you on?
Number 1.
Number 1. You understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. Raz Smith, what number you on? Perez, what number you on, sir? Say it again.
I have a question.
He said you're on number 4.
Number 4, okay. Mr. Perez, I haven't received any work from you as in pictures. I haven't received any work from you. I need to see it, please.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead, Mikhail.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Okay, so you see, right?
Mhm.
When I say my result is 20, right?
Mhm.
And then you show how you form the equation. How do
Mhm.
you get C?
How do I get C? I have to solve the equation. So if you look at the previous were you here earlier? Oh no.
Yes, sir. I was here, right? My head was hurt, and I accidentally dropped sleep for a while.
Oh, okay. You don't want to do that because especially you like to ask a lot of questions. And for me to explain it again, it's going to take a while. So please pay attention the next time.
Yes, sir.
Let me show you. Look at the picture. Do you have a picture of this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Notice that we multiply 2 by n and then 2 by 3. And then so 2 by n is 2n and 2 by 3 is 6. Once we do that, then we send 6 over the equal sign. So it becomes 36. I mean, it becomes -6. So 36 minus 6 is what? What's 36 minus 30? What's 36 minus 6?
36 minus 6 is 30, sorry.
Very good, it's 30. And then after that, what do you see that we did? We divide both sides by what?
2.
We divide both sides by 2, very good. And then 2n divided by 2 is what?
Wait, Mr. Petit.
Mhm.
2 and don't make no sense.
What do you mean it don't make no sense?
Because then I still don't know what n is.
Yeah, and that's why we're trying to solve it. Solve for n. At the end, we get that n is equal to 15, but we don't know what n is until we find it. That's the whole goal, to find out what n is. So once we have 2n,
Mr. Petit,
yes, sir.
you can go back to the last example, please.
Okay, one moment. Once we find 2n, so once we have 2n equals 30, we divide both sides by 2. And once we divide both sides by 2, one thing that we have left is n on one side, and 30 divided by 2. What is 30 divided by 2? What's 30 divided by 2, Mikhail?
Follow me?
What is 30 divided by 2?
15.
15, and that's how we get.
I wanted to ask you a question.
Yes, go ahead.
I was trying to. Oh, no, you go back to the last slide.
I can't go back to the last slide because persons are still working on this one.
All right. Well, you see for the last example, right?
Uh-huh.
I forget how you get that 6.
I got the 6.
Yes, sir.
6. Oh, I multiply 2 by 3.
All right.
Right.
Hey, Misty.
Yeah.
Okay, I see this the same thing as yesterday. Pat and I just was able to log on. But I see there's a new one. What's this letter C about?
The C?
Yeah.
All right. Did you look at the example?
I know because it just did come on, so I wasn't able to look at it.
Okay, let me give you a picture of the example.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and follow that example.
All right, thank you.
All right. Otisa, what number you on? Otisa Albury. Okay, can I have Otisa? Noah? Noel, sorry, Noel. What number you on?
I on number 4.
Okay. You understand what to do?
So
Okay. Nathaniel, what number you on, sir? Can I have from Nathaniel? Moesha, what number you on?
He said number 4.
I on
Moesha,
number 6.
Moesha, okay.
This bonus question starting to confuse me.
We don't have a bonus question. I wish we had
Challenge
one.
one. Getting confused with both.
We don't even have a challenge one today. It's just his regular question, just with a different background. Come on.
No, it is not.
Oh boy. Mariah, what number you on?
Number 4.
Number 4, okay. Michaela, what number you on?
Pardon me.
What number you on, Michaela?
Number 2. Going on number 3.
Good. Trey, what number you on, sir?
4.
4. Linnea, what number you on?
Mr. BT, you talking to me?
No, not you. I
Oh.
said. I think I did say Michaela. Yeah, I mean Linnea. Sorry, Lanaya.
I on number 4.
Okay. And Kevin, what number you on?
4.
Okay, you understand what to do, Kevin?
I think I get anyone to make sure.
Okay, please.
Mr. Petit,
Yes,
you can send your number inside the chat again for me, bless.
Shauna Bowland. The number is 426-8891. Jensen Bethel, what number you on, sir?
Number 3.
Okay. Jadon, you understand what to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I see iPhone. I don't know who that is. I don't know. Please make sure I put your name on the screen name so I can know who it is, please. Otherwise, I wouldn't know. All right. Havane or Havana, something like that.
It's Harmony.
Havane, yes. Number one.
Number 4.
You understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
You said yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Ping pong, what number you on?
Number 5.
All right.
Hey.
Dylan, what number you on? How about you, Diamond? What number you on, Diamond?
5.
Okay, you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr. DA, send it to you on WhatsApp.
Okay, this is Kaepernick.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Kaepernick. This is number 1. That's excellent. Very good, Kaepernick. Good. Very good. Amaya. Where's Amaya? Amaya and Bristol, are you there?
Miss Betty, you call me?
Yes, I did.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, one moment. Let me check something. Kaepernick. Oh, Kaepernick.
Yes, sir.
What is 20 minus 8?
You say
20 minus 8.
Mr. Petit.
One moment, Makia. What is 20 minus 8?
12.
Okay. So check C.
Oh, I see.
See? Okay, good. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Amaya, you want playing with us today?
No, sir. I ain't playing.
I noticed. I noticed. Right. These look right. These look right.
They had my after school nap, you see?
Makes a difference. Makes a difference.
See, Mr. Petit, I didn't have one of those. So I expect to be excused if I do get something wrong, right?
You don't need none of
Right.
those. That's only for seniors. She is a senior. So
Well, you know what?
she's a senior. She get excused. She had 12 years of this.
That's all they
You allowed to be tired. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, see, she's kind.
She had 12 years of this. I almost say foolishness, but I didn't mean that.
It is, Mr. Petit, it is.
I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that publicly.
Yes, you did.
Oh,
and
you
it's
mean that?
okay.
You mean that? You mean that?
Publicly.
Not publicly. All right. They're rolling in. Amaya, what happened to the colorful one? Number 6.
With he?
What happened to that?
My nap wasn't that long. Okay.
All right. Deja. Deja,
Yes, sir.
you think number 6, right?
Last time I did this was grade 9, so I don't know. I
Oh,
hope so.
I hope so. Okay. Right. I hope so too. I like your work in Deja. Like I said, I really do. Don't mind if I show your work to the class?
Yes, very much so.
Okay, yes, you don't mind. Oh, thank you for being so
No,
kind.
no, no.
Thank you for being so kind. Oh my goodness.
No, as in yes, I mind.
Okay. All right. This is inspiration, trust me.
Mr. Petit.
Hey.
Oh, like, don't Preach.
Say it
You
again.
know what in the classroom.
I can
Anyway,
say it again.
all of our handwriting ain't, 200%. Like,
You're right. You're right. You're right. I can clearly see that.
I said God is inspiration.
Oh, God is inspiration. Yes, you're right. That's so true.
Mr. Petit, did you get my work?
Ariel Bodie. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And this is also good. Very good, Ariel. Number 6, though. Oh boy. But I
I
got
still working on that one.
the work on that one. Okay, good. All right. Thank you, Perez.
Mr. Petit.
Thank you for Perez. Receive him. I heard Mikhail, yes.
Can you send a number in the chat again, please? Because my Wi-Fi kicked me out.
Okay, Sean, no problem. Everyone in the meeting. 426. Where's where's Serenity? Serenity, are you there? Serenity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What number you on?
4.
All right. Moisha Bastian.
Yeah, so I still doing number 6.
Okay, cut on writing though. Good start.
Mrs. Petit, for this one, for number 6, and we put all the Y terms together.
For number 6.
Yes,
That would,
sir.
yeah, that would be wise. Antonia Bell.
Yes, sir.
Good work.
Pardon?
Good work for 1 through 5.
Put up inside your chat. Don't do that to me. Now I know but 6. With all the rest of them there.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Harry Penniman, thank you. Perez, thank you. Okay, still waiting on Angelina. Where's Angelina?
Pardon?
Angelina, what number you on?
I said my work, but I'm number 6 now.
Okay. Angel, where's Angel? Angel, I need to see your work, please.
Maybe I'm on number 5.
All right.
For number 6, we aren't supposed to get a decimal, right?
No, we're not supposed to get a decimal.
Okay.
Caleb, what number you want? Oh, I just saw it. I see it. Thank you, Caleb. Thank you, Yolanda. Thank you, Perez. Thank you, Jadon. Jadon, where's Jadon? Jadon, where are you?